Move.
Wait yet?
Get up.
Where are we going? I'm not ready.
My house.
I'm already at my house.
No, I'm gonna kidnap you.
When?
Right now.
Okay.
Hey, wake up.
Good morning.
Why did you...
You said kid. No.
No. Do you not even care that I broke into your house?
Whose house?
Yours.
Oh, yes, this is my house.
You left your front door open.
Did you close it when you came in?
Yeah.
Thank you. I don't want a stranger coming in.
Just get up. We're leaving.
Leaving for what yet?
We're going.
To Starbucks?
No.
Oh, okay. I'll stay then.
Don't make me force you.
You don't have to force me to go to Starbucks. Let's go.
Oh, okay.
After you.
Thanks.
He was weird.
Well played.